What's up, gaming fans? Fluffy here from Fulcrum Esports, and today we've got something special. A first look at the Realme 14 gift pack and the brand new Realme 14 5G. Realme is going all in with this release, giving early adopters an exclusive TechLife Headphones G1 to upgrade their gaming and content creation. And trust me, you'll want to see this phone's insane performance. Let's dive in. What's in the gift box? The Realme 14 5G, TechLife Headphones G1, Keychain, phone stand, extended warranty or screen protection plan. Realme is adding extra value for early adopters by including a limited edition TechLife Headphones G1 alongside the Realme 14 5G. Designed to enhance gaming immersion and content creation, these headphones are a pre-order exclusive, unavailable for purchase separately. Customers who pre-order the Realme 14 5G or Realme 14T 5G will receive this special freebie, but quantities are limited. To claim, buyers must visit select Realme concept stores nationwide on the 29th of April 2025 at exactly 11 a.m. While our box kits do not include the actual warranty card or screen protection plan, customers who pre-order will find both inside the official product box upon purchase. Make sure to secure your unit and claim your exclusive gift pack on launch day before stocks run out. Visit Shopee, Lazada, and Realme concept stores to pre-order. Now, on to the star of the show, the Realme 14 5G. The design screams next-gen mecha aesthetics, inspired by science fiction machinery. Check out the flaming orange power engine at the back, giving off serious energy core vibes. And this flaming orange power button, pressing it activates GT mode, ramping up the performance instantly. We will be doing a full review of the Realme 14 5G soon. We will be putting it through its paces and if it can deliver on the different game genres. So do return for the review. Pre-orders come with a gift pack. So visit Realme concept stores on the 29th of April at 11 a.m. to claim yours. Grab your Realme 14 5G now on Shopee, Lazada, or Realme stores nationwide. Hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, is this your next gaming phone?